The thirsty crow. It was a hot summer day. A crow was very thirsty. It was flying here and there for the water to quench its thirst. It could not find even a drop of water anywhere. At last it reached on farmer field. There it saw a pitcher. It flew down to find if some water was there in the pitcher. It sat on the edge of the pitcher and peeped into the pitcher. It saw the water at the bottom of the pitcher. It tried to stretch its neck to reach up to water level, but its beak could not reach at water in bottom of pitcher. It felt disgusted. The crow thought an idea at last. It saw a heap of small stones at some distance. It picked up the stones with its beak one by one and threw those into the pitcher one by one. The water level came up. It drank the water and quenched its thirst. Then it flew away from there to the other destination. What do we learn from this story? 1. Necessity is the mother of invention. 2. Where there is a will there is a way. Like and subscribe video.